Alright, today I'm replacing the back window in my 97 F-150. It shattered yesterday. First thing would be to remove the back seat, which consists of 2 bolts on each end and then another bolt on the middle. Your bolt sizes are probably different than mine because I have aftermarket sub underneath my seat, so I had to use new bolts. Right, after removing the bottom piece of the rear seat, up underneath here, there's 2 bolts that are both 10 millimeters. And you remove those to remove the back cover. Alright, once you have both of the bolts out, you're able to lift up on the seat and pull it out. Alright, after that, you would pop off the covers to the seat belts and unbolt them, along with take off the top bolt, or whatever this is called, and remove those on both sides. This one, and take that off. You want to be able to pull this back enough to unbolt the bolts that are along the sides. Next, you will need to unscrew the screws for the wing windows and remove those, and then you will be able to pry this back enough to get to the bolts. Using a 9mm, you need to go along, remove all the nuts on all the bolts along underneath here, pull the headliner back and do that along this side, all the way around. Once you have all the bolts taken out, you'll be able to take your knife or something sharp and go along and cut the gasket all the way around it. And then you should be able to push the window out. Once you have the old window out, you're going to have to vacuum up any broken glass, like along here and everything. And then also you need to clean up the remaining gasket crap, which is really easy on metal. And then you'll also want to clean up that so the new gasket has somewhere to stick. You also need to clean the new window. Alright, after cleaning up the cab of your pickup and the new window, take your auto glass adhesive in your caulking gun and you put it along inside the little crevice that comes factory, I guess. And then after you do that, you line up the bolts with the holes that are along the sides, and with him holding it, I will go inside and bolt it on. Done with the back window. It's all pretty now with no broken glass. Yay!